Hello everyone, welcome back to Kirklees Guitar School. Today we're going to have a look at Rebel Rouser by Duane Eddy. So this is, as of recording, in December 2024. This is day 5 of the Riffmas series. Some more information about that below. You can enter a competition to win a free lesson with me. It's, head over to the Facebook page, it's really good fun. First link in the description. If you go to that first link, that takes you to our private Facebook group. All of the tabs can be downloaded free from there. Okay, right, let's get into today's class. So this is what we're up against. We've got so nice clean tone with lots of reverb on this. I'm pretty sure that Lado used Gretsch guitars or something similar. Jazzmaster's the closest that I've got to that today, so that's what I'm using, that, and then the Fender Princeton Reverb. So we're going to start on the 2nd fret of the low E string, and I'm going to pick that note with a downstroke, and can you see the bend? I'm going to bend it down. Now I can't bend up because there's no fretboard, is there? So I'm going to bend it down, but then I'm going to keep hold of the note and I'm going to bring it back up to pitch. Can you see how I'm bending it down? But then I bring it back to home base. I'm then going to play the open low E string, E again, ring finger on the 4th fret of the E string, open A, 2nd fret of the A. Now I know we've got the 4 and the 0 at the end, but let's just get this first. Practice that for me while I just do a little bit of waffling. Can you see here we've got this little, like, it's called a tied note. Basically that note is linking up to another 0, another E note, but it just means we're to sustain the note a little bit longer than planned. You don't have to do it, there's no hammer-ons or pull-offs, you don't have to do anything with that. You just need to make sure that you're hanging on that note for just a little bit longer than you normally would. We're then going to finish this section back with his ring finger on that 4th fret of the low E string with a downstroke, and then upstroke on the E. Pause if you need to. So we've played the 4 and the 0 previously, and that's part of this lick that's starting over here. So you've got open A string, you pick that A a second time, 4th fret. Now we're going to move down to the D string with his index finger, and then we're going to roll back up to the A string. Just practice that little chunk for me. Moving on, we're going back to familiarity. That's easy for you to say. Do the bend on the 2nd fret, open, and then we do that walk up to the A string again. So that whole second part. Now your ear should be telling you that we're going back to that B note in the 3rd section, and you would be correct. We're then going to finish this lick off with the open E string, 4th fret, which is a G sharp, open A. We've got 2 strokes on that B note, 2nd fret, and we finish with. So it's very much the same as the previous 2 slides. All I'd say is watch out for this second 2 over here, okay? Sometimes that catches people by surprise. Let's have a look at the whole thing. Take a screenshot if you need to, or head to the link in the first link in the description. You can download. I've got a PDF of this that you can get for free. Okay, let me know how you get on in the comments. We've had probably about half a dozen people post in the Riffmas competition in the Facebook group, and I want to get some more in there because, like I say, you can win as of recording, you can win a free lesson with me. Something a little bit different, a little bit more accessible for everybody. Let me know what else you'd like to see from me in the comments, and I will see you in a couple of days' time for Riffmas Day 6. Thank you very much.